Hey, today we're riding out at Chewacla Park. Gonna try to get a few shots here by the lake and then on the trails and maybe at the falls. So we're out on the trails. This is Chewacla Park. This is the little lake out at Chewacla. A little cold today to go swimming. Oh, by the way, it's New Year's Day. Today is January 1. Just doing some trail riding out, mountain biking. A lot of fun. Nice day. It's about 55 degrees. Whoop. Hey.
Like that?
Whoops. Uh-oh. Yeah, I lost the camera back there.
Oh,
yeah.
yikes.
Yeah.
Good luck in finding it.
Thanks. Whoops, this is what happens when you don't pay attention. Lost the camera, I got it now. So here's the waterfall. There's the waterfall. All the people down there. This is Chewacla Park, and we're at the waterfalls. You can see back in the back there's the lake where the waterfall is fed, and then you can see all the people. Nice trail through here.